Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. How do we enable wealth? By training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, VETRI, meaning victory. Innovative investment strategies, so far Sonifer and Baumits. They are efficient and intelligent strategies and products that suits every client's need, and many of our clients have immensely benefited regardless of the market conditions. So in every video we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. As always, markets does not move on the fundamental basis. It moves only on the perception. Perception is nothing but the mood of the market players, which is nothing but demand and supply, or bulls and bears, whatever you want to call, which is accurately captured by technical analysis. So today is September 17, 2022, Saturday. In this video, we'll be discussing about the global markets, currencies, commodities, markets for the week of September 12 to September 16. That is Monday till Friday. Today is Saturday. Okay. So first we will talk of all the indices. Dow fell 4.5% and closed 3821.50. Nasdaq at 11448.50, closed 5.5%, and S&P 3873, 4.8% down, while FTSE 7236 0.68, 1.6% down. Last week, if you recollect, we had said that it formed a solid green candle, bullish candle, and it is slightly below the exponential moving average and below the Bollinger Middle Band. We had stated that there is some life, however, the real life will come only if it is able to move above and stay above that on the monthly chart and on the weekly chart in particular, and in the monthly chart. So what had happened? The CPI index has come more than what the market had anticipated, and the fear of 75 basis point and even 100 basis point and no rate cuts coming till 2023 has increased the pressure, the psychological pressure on the market. As I told, market is just perception of buyers and sellers. So till last week, the perception, till that announcement, the perception was good. Basically, it was at least sideways. We had expected this week to form a doji star or go little sideways, but that has resulted in markets going down significantly. Why I use the word significantly? Because all the three indices other than FTSE formed strong bearish bar reversal. Not only bearish engulf, strong bearish bar reversal. What it means? The high is higher than the previous month's high, previous week's high, but close is below the previous week's low. So it's something very dangerous. It is something like what you call very, very strong bearish trend has come. That has come just because of the parameters or the perception has changed. The perception changed suddenly because of the CPI outcome. Hence, no, please, fundamentals will never succeed. Technicals will fail when there is a news that comes that overrides the existing scenario. So all the three indices, now where it is positioned. It is now positioned in the monthly chart just 3% above the previous low that it has formed in June. That's one. Number two is all the indices are slightly or just above the Bollinger lower band, just 1.5% above the Bollinger lower band. If the trend continues, if September 21st is going to be a make or break, 20 evening and 21st for us, 20 evening when Fed announces the roadmap, that is going to be a make or break for the markets. If it is going to be a break, believe me, the Bollinger lower band will be taken out. Not only that, it will start sliding down along the Bollinger lower band for the many months to come, which is going to be a bearish for not just for the month of September, but going to be for a long period of time. So hence September 20 is something crucial. Hence we will not be in a position to give exactly what is going to happen because that news overrides any scenario now. But however, this sentiment, at least on Monday, Tuesday, we will have little up move and sideways till Wednesday when the Fed outcome happens from the global market. Indian markets, of course, the reaction will be on Thursday, but till Wednesday it will be a sideways market for Indian market. Anyway, coming to that, FTSE is relatively better but formed a doji in the monthly chart till now, and in the weekly chart again it formed a bearish engulf with a shooting star, big up candle. Hence, this is the structure of global markets, global indices. CBOE VIX at 26.30 is moving up in daily, weekly and also in monthly time frame. Hence, we expect it to continue its FTSE, the volatility to continue up till we have stability in the market and certainty in the market. Dollar index at 109.506. Last week what we have said, dollar index at best it can go below 107 point levels. In fact, it didn't even go there. 107.45 it formed, and now it is, as we said, it is a repetition of last week's video. 7th month in succession above the Bollinger upper band, and it will close. It is on a strong up move. Why it is on a strong up move? Dollar versus euro is at 1.0015. It is last week it formed a green candle, after which it formed in this week it formed a red candle or a reversal candle or a spinning top with a slightly long upper wick. It is a reversal candle, no doubt about it, but the bands are showing some exhaustion in the weekly chart. Hence, it gives some comfort, and also in the daily chart it is slightly going up. So hence now we can expect it to hover around this level. Whereas GBP is showing much more weakness than euro versus USD. GBP is showing weakness against dollar. GBP at 1.14 is showing weakness, and again it is the both GBP and euro versus USD versus GBP versus USD, same chart sliding down along the Bollinger lower band, 6th month in succession. Hence that weakness is there till we have solid reversal that is happening. USD versus JPY 142.91. Last week it touched a high of 144.80 levels. This week it couldn't go to that level, but still in the weekly chart it is trending up, and in the monthly chart 7th month in succession above the Bollinger upper band. Daily chart it is moving sideways with upward bias. Hence, we don't expect dollar index to come down. Even if it comes down, it is going to be for a day or two, but the week closure will be much higher around these levels, and hence the month closure we expect it to be around 109 levels, 109 above. Now our interest, USD versus INR at 79.686. In this week it went to a low of 79 levels. However, it didn't sustain even for a day, and thereafter it bounced back like a plastic ball immersed in a water. It jumped up and it bounced. Now in the daily chart it is sliding sideways with upward bias. In the weekly chart it formed a doji star, and monthly it is just below the Bollinger upper band. This is the 7th month in succession, and we expect dollar in USD INR pair to close anywhere above 79.89 to 80.05 for the month of September. It's not going to break and go past 81 or so, like many analysts say. However, it is not going to go below 79.05, the low it formed recently. And the closure will be 79.89 to 80.05. US 10-year yield at 3.455. It is in the weekly, it is nicely riding along the upper band, and in the monthly chart it is again moving above the Bollinger upper band, which is a very strong up move. Unless otherwise something happens, we expect the US 10-year yield to close above 3.418. The only thing that can change is again September 20, if something less hawkish or dovish or anything. I am just giving a scenario. I am not saying that will happen. If something like that dramatic happens, it will fall. Otherwise, closure is going to be above 3.41. Next is Brent and NYMEX. Brent at 91.57, NYMEX at 85.11. So as we had stated that it is on a sideways move with a downward bias. This is the 4th month in succession. Now in the monthly chart, the price is below the exponential moving average and slightly above the Bollinger upper band. So we expect that daily it is showing some resilience and trying to go up. Weekly it formed a red candle. After doji it formed in the previous week. It is sliding down in the weekly chart. Hence we expect it to be moving down till 87.30 on Brent, where the Bollinger middle band on the monthly chart is there, and 82.47 on the NYMEX. That is going to act as a support, and if it acts as a strong support, probably we can see a good bounce next month, October, which we have stated right from the 3rd September video onwards. Thank you very much for watching my video.